I know that there have been some questions about families who live apart. Children under 18 can continue to move between households, but they should, in doing so, take hygiene and social distancing precautions. And I also want to confirm that those who have caring responsibilities or who work in care should continue to carry out those responsibilities, but again, should follow social distancing measures as much as possible and hand hygiene at all times. But the overall message is very clear. People must stay at home. I know how hard this is for everybody, but people should not be meeting friends. They should not be meeting family members who live outside of their home. And as I have said previously, for all of us right now, life should not be feeling normal. If it is, then you're almost certainly not sticking to the rules that we are asking people to abide by. I'm confident that the vast majority of people will comply with these rules, and I want to thank everyone in advance for doing that. However, later this week, the emergency legislation that Parliament will discuss shortly will give us powers of enforcement, and I want to be very clear, we will use these powers if necessary. If your staff can work from home, then that is what you should allow them to do. Secondly, if your staff cannot work from home, you should be asking yourself if your business is contributing something right now that is essential to the fight against coronavirus, for example, making medical supplies or manufacturing essential items, or is it contributing something essential to the well-being of the nation, for example, food supplies? If it is, we want you to keep going if possible. But the questions you must ask yourself is, can you operate your business in line with safe social distancing practice and, of course, your normal health and safety requirements? If you cannot answer yes to those questions, then in our view, you should not continue to be open. We've been asked specifically about construction sites in Scotland, and our advice right now on the basis of that precautionary principle is that we would expect them to be closed unless the building that is being worked on is essential, such as a hospital. We know that for some people, for example, self-employed gardeners and window cleaners, where there is no contact with other people, if they can go about their business safely, then this can be good for the community, and we would encourage them to do so.